Welcome to Bonhill Geography. Today we'll begin our exploration of sustainable urban living. Our example case study is the greenhouse development project in Beeston. The story begins in 1938 when this building, known as Shaftesbury House, was constructed to house migrant workers supporting Leeds industries. Over time it fell into decline and by 1998 it was abandoned. In 2008 a small developer named Situ partnered with Leeds City Council to regenerate the site. By 2010, the greenhouse development was reborn as a hub of sustainability. So what did they do to make it sustainable? Let's find out. First up, we have energy generation and conservation. The greenhouse development generates its own power using two wind turbines providing electricity for communal lighting and lifts within the main services of the building. Solar panels on the roof are also used to heat water, which is then stored in large tanks to ensure minimal energy waste. Heating and cooling are handled by ground source heat pumps. These eliminate the need for individual gas boilers. All this essentially does is uses the natural heat of the ground to heat up the water. This significantly reduces the electricity costs needed to heat water compared to just a normal electric boiler. To keep the building warm, it's clad in thick insulation and triple glazed windows on north-facing sides. This significantly reduces heating needs. As a result, less energy is wasted. Let's now talk about water conservation. The taps in every sink are air-rated. This cuts water use by 25%. They also have dual flush toilets to minimise waste, and the building collects and filters rainwater and grey water from sinks and showers. It then uses this to flush toilets, particularly on the ground floor. Even many of the materials used in construction are sustainable. The concrete used has a lower carbon footprint thanks to a special ingredient, and bamboo surfaces are not only durable but also grow back in just 2 years. These are used commonly for kitchen countertops and for lots of furniture. Other examples of recycled materials include tyres for carpet underlay and reclaimed railway sleepers for planters in the courtyard. However, we know that sustainability is not just about the environment, it's also about community aspects and economic aspects as well. Residents have access to shared allotments. This encourages local food production and a connection to nature. Not only is this good for quality of life, but it also helps to reduce food miles. There's even a shared gym. This promotes health and fitness without the need to travel, further reducing congestion on surrounding roads. The greenhouse development also has an electric car sharing scheme. This is powered by excess energy from the building's renewable energy sources. As previously mentioned, this is wind and solar. By having fewer cars on site, it means there's going to be lower emissions, where more residents are more encouraged to use public transport, or, when they are taking longer journeys, hire out the electric cars. This can help to significantly reduce any congestion that would otherwise take place in Leeds. Each unit also comes with a smart meter that shows real-time energy consumption. This helps the residents to make eco-friendly choices. There's also a cafe space supporting local businesses and a free cycle area where residents can recycle items and reduce their waste. Composting is also a key part of the plan as well, with local food waste being sent to nearby recycling plants. For example, the one at RERF, or RERF for short. All in all, the greenhouse development is about making sustainability effortless for its residents. This means less energy use and dependence on fossil fuels, less waste being generated and being sent to landfill or incinerated, less water use because water is a finite resource, and more community interactions. The company who began the project Situ have now rolled out many more schemes across Leeds, including in Kirkstall. These homes help to improve access to water, energy and waste management homes.